Hi everyone, Bradley tuning in, coming at you with another video, and today I'd like to talk about the difference between a new development and a more established community like the one I'm standing in here today. I'd like to share with you this listing. Just hit the market, 8 Tweedsmuir. We just did photos yesterday, we just put it up. If you want to see more photos, you can check that out on our GTA real estate page. We put the full virtual tour there. But let me know what you guys prefer, new developments or more established communities, and let me know why. Actually, let me show you this area here. You'll see how beautiful a mature neighborhood could look. Full trees. This is actually on a quiet cul-de-sac, which I'll actually, just for you guys, walk down to the edge of the street to share that. But new developments, there's some pros to buying new, of course. Those include that you're able to form the identity of that neighborhood. You can come in and make it your own. And of course, the maintenance fees generally are less. But the flip side is you're normally not central. You're not in a central area. Let me show you the cul-de-sac. All right, there you go. And that makes up the entire street. Very quiet street. I love it. So you end up doing outdoor activities instead of being near the business district. Now, an area like this has, of course, that lusciousness. Let that be the word of the day. And it also has a lot of character. When you move in, it's already established as a community. So it really comes down to preference. Now, the trade-off for that, of course, is you tend to have slightly higher maintenance costs. So let me know what you guys prefer. Which one kind of resonates with you? Again, if you'd like to see more photos from this listing, the virtual tour is on our GTA real estate page. Make sure you give us a thumbs up on Facebook or a subscription on YouTube. I'll see you next week with more tips and tricks. Take care, guys, and keep it real.